A prayer for strength to continue fasting when I feel weak. Gracious Lord, right now, my body feels tired and my mind is telling me to give up. But deep in my spirit, I still want to honor you. I started this fast with a desire to grow closer to you. Please help me not to lose sight of that. Remind me, Father, that your strength is made perfect in my weakness. When I'm empty, you are able to fill me. When I feel pain, like I can't go on, you are able to carry me. Give me the strength to push through this moment, not by my power, but by your grace. Let this weakness turn my heart toward you. Help me to depend on you more and to remember that fasting is not just about what I give up, but about what I gain in you. Renew my purpose. Refresh my soul. And let your presence be my nourishment. Lord, I don't want to give up. Strengthen me to continue and give me peace in the journey. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.